Hey everyone, how's it going? Terry Schilling here, and welcome to another video of Terry's Tips. I'm sharing copywriting tips, how to grow a successful freelance business. A lot of great videos. If you haven't seen my previous ones, go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out some of the videos. You'll also get alerts when new videos drop, which is always fun. Today I'm going to share an important copywriting tip when writing a successful landing or sales page. This is one mistake that I see a lot of copywriters and other businesses make when they're writing their sales and landing page, and that is they're putting a lot of blame on the audience. People may say this is the number one mistake you're making when you're trying the trendy diets. This is the one thing that you're doing wrong when you're trying to start a new workout. That's a lot of blame on the audience. And I feel as humans, we just naturally want to absolve that responsibility. And if we can find something new that we haven't discovered yet, i.e. we don't have the knowledge or know-how, that's going to be more enticing. So what you could say is, this is the number one thing that personal trainers at the gym aren't telling you. This is the number one mistake that the online videos and resources are making, and it's failing you to lose weight. The reason you haven't figured out solutions is because other people and other resources are steering you wrong. You haven't learned this technique. They haven't showed you this. That little tweak in your copy, expressing how they don't have the know-how, we are discovering something new that nobody showed you yet. That can lead to more conversions than putting blame directly, because they have heard that countless times before. Show them why other things have steered them wrong, and new ways and techniques that they just haven't figured out yet can help them reach the results and better their lives. That's my tip for you guys today. If you're looking to write a successful landing page or sales page, don't blame your audience directly. Have them discover something new, something that your competitors and everybody else isn't saying online. Because that's being original. Be honest, show them that you can offer a solution to a serious problem, and that will lead to conversions, that will lead to trust, that will turn from readers into paying customers into long life fans. Hope you guys all enjoyed today's video, and most importantly, I hope you guys use the information and use it in your business or when you're writing your next line of copy. Hope you guys all have a great week. I'll talk to you guys soon.